So Matt Dance came today from Chichester University.
And they're all doing their master's degree at the moment. They get to collaborate with a lot of different choreographers and then they take those pieces out on tour. And we're the first one on their tour.
So we started with a warm-up, then we did a lot of footwork. I liked working on the foot exercises because that's something that I like to work towards, getting my feet better for dance. Then we did jump practice. Then we just kind of dived straight into some choreography.
My favourite part was how they taught us part of their choreography so we could learn it.
Near the end of the session we had to do this choreography task in groups, and I found it really enjoyable to work with some people from different year groups, as well as just, being able to use contact and just be creative with the stuff we've been given.
It was really nice to have all the year groups together because we never usually get the opportunity to work with other people. It's usually just my year, so that was really a good opportunity. After a workshop, we watched their performance.
I loved watching it. I thought the performances were amazing.
Their performances were incredible. They had a wide range of contemporary styles.
I loved how their performances were very different from the kind of traditional dances you usually see.
The first one was very colourful and bright, and it was very different but cool at the same time. And the second one, the audio was spoken, so there wasn't a lot of music, it was just a lot of the sound of beats and percussion. I liked the second one the most.
My favourite part of the performances were all the lifts that they did. They were really different from what I've seen before, and they really experimented with different ways that they could lift people.
The performances were really overwhelming and exciting. It was an amazing experience, and I've not really seen many dance performances like that before. It really blew everyone away, I think, and it was just quite, it was a really interesting dance style, and yeah, I really loved it.
It was really nice to have a workshop after 2 years because obviously COVID has happened, so we haven't really had that opportunity.
I really enjoyed the workshop. It was nice to have choreographers and teachers from outside of school come in and teach us because it's been so long since we've done something with other people coming in from outside of school, and it was really nice to do that again.
I learned some new techniques that I'll definitely take into my performances in school.
It was really nice and it helped quite a lot with the different techniques and stuff that we need to learn for GCSE.
It gave me some really good new ideas for our trio that we're working on for GCSE.
The workshop was really enjoyable and I loved it.